Alrighty then. It is a lovely day for math. In this video, we are going to be looking at a review, meaning you're supposed to already know this stuff, a review for the equations of lines. All right, so two points determine a line, so we have a little problem here. Pause the video if you need to, if I'm going too fast. Write the equation, and I've written write an equation. There's more than one way to write the equation, and we're going to talk about that. So write an equation, write the equation of the line that passes through the points -2, 3, and 1, -3. All right. Well, one of the characteristics or features or exciting things about lines is your slope. So we should probably write down the slope formula. Yeah. I'm hoping you remember it. M for slope. Yeah, I know. And the formula is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And where do we get these y2s and x2s? Well, these are the coordinates, the xy coordinates of the points. It doesn't matter which point is 1, it doesn't matter which one is 2. So I'm going to go ahead and label this. This is x1, y1. They always come in order, xy. This is the second one, so this is x2, y2. And now it's straight up plug and chug. y2, -3. Formula has a minus. y1 is 3. x2 is 1. Formula has a minus. x1 is negative. Aha, 2. Yes, it's minus, negative, and of course those become a positive. We math this out, and sure enough, slide it up, we get -6 over 3, which reduces to -2. This is the slope of our line. Now, some of you are very, very excited about slope-intercept form. I'm going to actually show you two forms. So I've got two sections here, all right? Slope-intercept form, we're going to do this one over here. What's slope-intercept form? You know it is y equals mx plus b. And for each line, there's a unique m and a unique b. So we have -2 is the m, but we do not know the b value yet. So it'd be our job to find the b value. Easiest way to do that is to pick one of the points, doesn't matter, plug them in for x and y, and solve for b. So let's go ahead and do that. Without any specific reason why, other than I feel like it, I'm going to choose the point -2, 3. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of our information. The point is -2, 3. The m value is -2 as well. That's just a coinkydink. It has nothing to do with anything. We plug all of these in for x, y, and m. Y is 3. M is -2. X is -2. We're trying to solve for b. And we math. So b is -1. So in slope-intercept form, you take the m and the b and fill them back in. And this is the equation. It is an equation. It is the slope-intercept form equation of our line. Now, personally, this is not my favorite form. What? You have favorites? Yeah, I know you're not supposed to, but I do. All right. Consider with me point slope form. You may not be as familiar with it, but I'm thinking if you give it a whirl, you might actually come to like it. What does point slope form look like? Y minus the y coordinate of a point equals m times x minus the x coordinate of a point, of the same point. The reason I like this is I already know 2 points. I'd only need 1, but I've got 2. You can pick either point. Again, it does not matter. Just for fun, I'll pick this point. 1, -3 is my point. This will become the x and the y. So I'm using the point 1, -3, and still have the slope of -2. here's how we do this. You literally write y minus the y coordinate. Yes, that will become a plus. You're very smart. Equals m times x minus the x coordinate. Other than making this a plus, I'd say that's done. What? But you didn't solve for y. It didn't say you had to solve for y. I'd quit right there. I'd be like, put a box on it. Boom. Now, for those of you who are very, uptight, myself included, if I wanted to, and I don't know why I'd want to, but if I wanted to, I could distribute the -2 and bring the 3 across. I don't know why we're doing this, but we can. Take a look at what happens. So, distributing the -2, it becomes -2x plus 2, and moving the 3 to the other side, it becomes a -3. Combine those, and this is your slope-intercept form. I know, right? That's like crazy. But if you wanted to stop in point-slope form, you would just quit right there. You can look at it and go, oh, there's the point, there's the slope. Over here, you have the slope and the y-intercept, and it depends whichever one is more helpful. So I'm hoping this is an excellent reminder.